बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मॉडल पेपर नंबर 86 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में सेक्शन 1 में आएगा ज़कात एंड उशर। द अरबिक वर्ड ज़कात हैज़ बीन ड्राइड फ्राम तज़किया। व्हाट डज़ इट मीन? इसका मतलब है टू प्योरीफाई यानी पाक करना। द अरबिक वर्ड ज़कात हैज़ बीन ड्राइड फ्राम तज़किया। व्हाट डज़ इट मीन? इट्स मीन द प्योरीफाई व्हेन ज़कात वाज कंपलसरी दैट इज़ इन 2 हिजरी। ठीक है, रमज़ान 2 हिजरी में ज़कात मुकम्मल तौर पर फ़र्ज कर दी गई। At how many places of Quran the order of the payment of zakat are mentioned? That is in 82 times। 82 मरतबा कुरान पाक में ज़कात देने का जिक्र आया, जबकि 32 मरतबा ज़कात का जिक्र कुरान पाक में नमाज के साथ आया। ठीक है, कि नमाज अदा करो और ज़कात अदा करो, जबकि अकेला ज़कात अदा करो वो 82 मरतबा आया। At how many places of Quran zakat mentioned in the company of salat? That is 32 times। Which of the following can receive zakat? ट्रैवलर, डिबेटर और नीडी। जो मुसाफिर है वो भी, जो कर्जदार है वो भी, जो ज़रूरतमंद है वो भी ज़कात ले सकता है। व्हाट इज द निसाब ऑफ ज़कात? ज़कात का निसाब 2.5% ऑन 52% ऑफ सिल्वर। अगर आपके पास 52 तोला चांदी है तो उसके ऊपर 2.5% है, और अगर आपके पास 7.5 तोला सोना है तो तब भी उसके ऊपर 2.5% है। हाउ मैनी गोट्स अंडर वन टू पे ज़कात? दैट इज़ 40। कितनी बकरियां हों तो ज़कात लग जाती है? 40 बकरियां अगर हों तो। ठीक है। हाउ मैनी काइंड्स ऑफ मुस्लिम्स आर एलिजिबल टू रिसीव ज़कात एंड उशर अकॉर्डिंग टू कुरान? तो वो हैं 8, जिनका जिक्र सूरह तौबा की आयत नंबर 60 में आया। ओ प्रॉफिट रिसीव ज़कात फ्राम देयर पीपल प्रॉपर्टीज सो डैट यू कुड मेक दैम नीट एंड क्लीन। ये आयत कुरान पाक की किस सूरह में है? सूरह मोहम्मद में। ठीक है, ये कुरान पाक की आयत नंबर सूरह मोहम्मद में है। The next one, in which surah of Quran all order regarding zakat and prescribed? वो है सूरह तौबा, मैं पहले बता चुका। Next one, in Pakistan usher began to collect from Rabi crop of 1982 to 83। In Pakistan usher began to collect it from the Rabi crop of 1982 और 1983 में। Next one, the zakat and usher ordinance was promulgated on 20 June 1980। 20 जून 1980 को ज़कात और उशर का ऑर्डिनेंस जो है वो मुकम्मल तौर पर लागू कर दिया गया था। बॉन्डेड लेबर इज़ मोस्टली प्रिवेल्ड इन भट्टा या किलन इंडस्ट्री। दोबारा सुन ले, बॉन्डेड लेबर इज़ मोस्टली प्रिवेल्ड इन भट्टा या किलन इंडस्ट्री। नेक्स्ट वन आएगा सेक्शन नंबर इंग्लिश, उसमें सिनोनिम्स हैं। पहले नंबर पर एब्सकॉन्ड। एब्सकॉन्ड का सिनोनिम हुआ एस्केप। एब्सकॉन्ड, एस्केप। चाउस, CHAOS, इसका सिनोनिम होगा डिसऑर्डर। चाउस, डिसऑर्डर। नेक्स्ट वन कॉर्पस, CORPUS, कॉर्पस का होगा बॉडी। कॉर्पस, बॉडी। डिक्टेट, डिक्टेट का होगा इम्पोज। डिक्टेट, इम्पोज। जियोपर्डाइज, जियोपर्डाइज का होगा पुट एट रिस्क। जियोपर्डाइज, पुट एट रिस्क। इन्स एंड आउट का होगा ऑल द डिटेल्स। इन्स एंड आउट, ऑल द डिटेल्स। नेक्स्ट वन एट सिक्सीड एंड सेवन्स। एट सिक्सिस एंड सेवन का होगा bewildered, BEWILDERD, bewildered। blue eyed boy, favorite person। blue eyed boy मतलब favorite person। cook and bull story, a lie that is completely unbelievable। cook and bull story ऐसा झूठ जिस पर मुकम्मल तौर पर यकीन ना किया जा सके। फोर्थ स्टेट का मतलब होता है मीडिया या प्रेस। ठीक है, फोर्थ स्टेट का मतलब होगा मीडिया या प्रेस। नेक्स्ट आएगा प्रीपोजिशन, माई हाउस इज डैश द एंड ऑफ द स्ट्रीट। माई हाउस इज एट the end of the street। ठीक है, filling the blanks is filled by at। my house is at the end of the street। the film was different dash what I had been expecting। the film was different from what I had been expecting। the film was different from what I had been expecting। I could not find the solution dash the problem। I could not find the solution to the problem। okay, I could not find the solution to the problem। she cares dash the environment। she cares about the environment। she was accused dash theft। she was accused of theft। okay, she was accused of theft। next one section 2 में आएगा पाकिस्तान अफेयर एंड जनरल नॉलेज। The tributaries of Indus River coverage to their confluence with the Indus at Mithankot। दोबारा सुने, the tributaries of Indus River coverage to their influence with the Indus at Mithankot। from where the Indus River rises? that it rises from Tibet। okay, from Tibet। which salt mine is the largest in area in the world? that is a Kyoda। the which salt mine is the largest salt mine in the world? that is Kyoda। who wrote Sasi Punu by Hashim Shah? Pakistani Senate is considered on 104 seats। Pakistan China border territory was signed in 1963। Pakistan and China border was signed in 1963 while Pakistan and India border was signed in 1949। while Pakistan and Afghanistan border is signed in 1893. Okay, next one. On 14th August 1947, the only fully operational Muslim bank in Pakistan is Allied Bank Limited. On 14 August 1947, the only fully operational Muslim bank in Pakistan's territory, that is Allied Bank. Mention the first female member of parliament in Pakistan, that is Begum Shaista Sohrawardi Ikramullah. दोबारा सुने. Mention the first female member of parliament in Pakistan. She was Begum Shaista Sohrawardi Ikramullah. Begum Shaista Sohrawardi Ikramullah. Next one, when Pakistan launched its first space satellite, that is in 1990. 1990 में हमने सबसे पहली अपनी स्पेस सैटेलाइट लॉन्च की थी. ठीक है, 1990 में. When Muslim League demanded for principle of self-ruler for India, that is in 1913. When Muslim League demanded for principle of self-ruler for India in 1913 के अंदर. In which year one unit was created, that is in 1955. The permanent envoy of Pakistan in the United Nations is Abdullah Hussain Haroon. Permanent envoy of Pakistan in United Nations, Abdullah Hussain Haroon. SAARC Secretary General is Ahmed Salim, who is the commander ISAF, that is David Howell Patras. Which country is not a member of UNO, that is Taiwan. Taiwan is not the member of United Nations Organization. Abu Musa area is disputed between Iran and UAF. Abu Musa, its area is disputed between Iran and UAF. In 2010, Pakistan received heavy monsoon rains due to rise in temperature of Indian Ocean and global warming. Burj Khalifa in Dubai, UAE is officially opened in 4 जनवरी 2010 को. 4 जनवरी 2010 को बुर्ज खलीफा ओपन किया गया. ब्रॉडवे स्ट्रीट इज फेमस फॉर सिनेमा हॉल्स. ब्रॉडवे स्ट्रीट इज फेमस फॉर cinema halls. What is cartography? Cartography is art of making maps and charts. Cartography is the art of making maps and charts. Which of the following strait join the Red Sea and Persian Gulf? That is Bab al-Mandab Strait. Which of the following strait joins the Red Sea and Persian Gulf? That is Bab al-Mandab Strait. Name the economist whose theory of population described that population increase faster than to means of sport. That is Thomas Robert Malthus. Thomas Robert Malthus. If you devout in igloo, you would be among Eskimos. If you devout in igloo, you would be among Eskimos. Term belief is superiority of one's own race or ethnic group in racism. दोबारा सुने. Term belief is superiority of one's own race or ethnic group of racism. Victoria Falls are located in the South Central Africa on the Zambezi River, on the border between Zimbabwe and Zambia. Zimbabwe and Zambia, Victoria Falls, where it is located in South Central Africa. Bishkek is the capital of Kyrgyzstan. Bishkek is the capital of Kyrgyzstan. How many countries which are using euro currency? That are 17. How many countries which are using euro currencies? That is 17. Currency of China is yuan and renminbi. Yuan and renminbi. Baltic state constituents of former USSR consist of Estonia, Latvia and Lithuania. दोबारा सुने. Baltic state constitute of former USSR consist of Estonia, Latvia and Lithuania. Next one. What is the old name of Tokyo? That is Edo. The old name of Tokyo is a EDO, Edo. The state of Bab al-Mandeb, Red Sea, is known as Gates of Tears. The state of Bab al-Mandeb, Red Sea, is known as Gates of Tears. The Switzerland of Pakistan is Swat. Next one. Milli Majlis Parliament belong to Azerbaijan. Milli Majlis belong to Parliament of Azerbaijan. Blair House is an official guest house for foreign dignitaries. In which country it is situated? That is in the United States of America, USA. Which is the most highest fall? That is Angel Fall in Venezuela. Ryanair is the largest airline in the world. It belongs to Ireland. Ryanair, RYANAIR, is the largest airline of the world. It belongs to Ireland. Galileo Galilei Airport is located in Italy. Galileo Galilei Airport is located in Italy. China News Agency is a NCNA. China's news agency is NCNA. NECNA. Who got Nobel Prize in Peace of 2009? That is Barack Obama. Order of Rising Sun is the highest military award of Japan. Order of Rising Sun is the highest military award of Japan. While Paramveer Chakra is the highest military award of India, and Nishan-e-Haider is the highest military award of Pakistan. Victoria Cross is the highest military award of Britannia. Goldsmith Line is the border between Pakistan and Iran. Goldsmith Line is a border between Pakistan and Iran. 2005 से 2015 in United Nations Decade for Education for Sustainable Development. 2005 से 2015 in United Nations Decade of Education for Sustainable Development. Who presented the theory of clash of civilization? That is Samuel P. Huntington. Who presented the theory of clash of civilization? That is presented by Samuel P. Huntington. Fatima Bhutto book is number 1 Whisper in the Desert and number 2 Songs of Blood and Sword. Fatima Bhutto's book is number 1 Whisper in the Desert and number 2 Songs of Blood and Sword. Total member of European Union are 27. The Shanghai Cooperation Organization consists of 6 members: China, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Russia, Tajikistan and Uzbekistan. Okay, दोबारा सुन लें. China, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Russia, Tajikistan and Uzbekistan. We also recently joined SCO, the Shanghai Cooperation Organization, among Pakistani. Current Secretary General of UN belong to South Korea. Next one, currently there are 186 member countries in IMF where it is headquarter, that is in Washington DC. World Bank और IMF का जो headquarter है वो Washington DC में है. दोबारा सुन ले. Currently there are 186 members countries in IMF. 186 member country जो हैं तो वो IMF में है और इसका headquarter है Washington DC के अंदर. Next one आएगा, India in the world largest arms buyer in the world. Which country is the second largest? That is Saudi Arabia. इंडिया दुनिया के पहले नंबर पर आर्म बायर है और जो सऊदीया है वो दुनिया के दूसरे नंबर पर आ रहा है. Which of the following country has not written constitution? That is Israel, New Zealand and Britannia. Next one, mention the largest continuously operating television channel in the world. That is BBC One. BBC British Broadcasting Channel 1. दोबारा सुन लें. Mention the longest continuously operating television channel in the world. That is British Broadcasting 1. Which statement is true regarding Maldives? That is it is smallest Islamic country. Tiger Woods is a golf player. Tiger Woods is a golf player. Which is the first newspaper of Urdu language? That is Jame Jahanuma. Jame Jahanuma is the first newspaper of Urdu. New Zealand was the first country in the world to grant women the right to vote in 1893, but women did not get the right run for the New Zealand legislature until 1919. Okay, which is the hottest planet in our solar system? That is Venus. In which continent animal kangaroo is abundantly found? That is Australia. Red Sea separate the Arabian Peninsula, Western Asia from northeastern, that is Africa. Red Sea separate the Arabian Peninsula, Western Asia from northern Africa. ठीक है. Next one, about how many blood does the heart of an average human being pump every minute? That is 6.2 लीटर. हर मिनट में एवरेज ह्यूमन का जो ब्लड है वो 6.2 लीटर तक पंप हो जाता है. Term the time during which an organism is present in the body before causing disease. That is incubation period. जब ऑर्गेनिज्म आपके जिस्म में दाखिल तो हो जाता है लेकिन बीमारी नहीं फैलाता, वो उस टर्म को क्या कहते हैं? इंक्यूबेशन पीरियड. हु वाज द इन्वेंटर ऑफ कंप्यूटर? दैट इज चार्ल्स बेबेज. Who was the inventor of computer? That is Charles Babbage. Which instrument is used to measure the pressure of air? That is barometer. Which instrument is used to measure the pressure of air? That is a barometer. Thanks.